Hello, good morning all of you. This is Bhupati, Junior Lecturer in English, APRJC Garampalli. You are most welcome to these virtual classes. As you know, due to COVID-19 pandemic situations, a lot of disturbance in the field of education, but the government of AP has taken very good measures to send you the lessons even though you are at home. So this is the first grammar class for junior inter students. My dear junior intermediate students, this is your textbook this year. This textbook has actually 4 parts. 1, prose and poetry. Already we have seen 1 prose lesson and 2 poems. Next one is the extensive reading. Last one, grammar and communication skills. When coming to the grammar part, parts of speech is the base. This is the basic thing. This is the rudiment of grammar. Actually, most of you, I can say all of you might have learnt it in your lower classes. Parts of speech, it is started in your 6th class or 7th class. And everybody knows what is a noun and the remaining 7. How many parts of speech are there and what about each one. But one thing, at this intermediate level, it is tested in your examinations. How? A few sentences are given. Words will be underlined. You have to identify what part of speech is the word. So 6 words are underlined. Each word carries half a mark. So there will be 3 marks for this question item. And it is the 15th question in your intermediate public examinations question paper. See, part of speech, everybody knows. What is it? It is related to words. So you know the definition of a sentence. A sentence is nothing but a group of words. Words can make a sentence. But every word has a different function in a sentence. Sometimes a single word can function in different ways. For example, let us begin with a sentence. Ravi booked a list of books for book bank. Look at this sentence. My dear intermediate students, here is one book, here is another book, another book. So when we see, every time the word book functions in a different way. As you know, the first book here refers to a verb. Book, book, booked. So booking a ticket, he booked a ticket. You know pretty well. Booked can be used as a verb. Book, booked, booked, booking. When you come here, this is a plural noun, books. So this is a noun. Here this refers to name of a thing. So this is a noun here. When you come to this one, book bank. Bank is the noun and this word is qualifying this noun. So automatically this is an adjective. When we see this sentence, a single word book functions in different ways. Here it is a verb. When coming here, it is a noun. There it is an adjective. So in the same way, one more example. She fished some fish in the fish pond. Fished, fished, fish. Same way, fish, fished, fished is a verb. Fishing. It is the act of fishing. So it is a sentence. It has 6 words. When you see, each word is one part of speech. Each word is one part of speech. This is a pronoun. Most of you know already. This is a verb, a past tense verb. Go, went, gone, going. This is a preposition. This is an article. It comes under adjective, or you can write article. Hospital is a noun, name of the place. Yesterday is an adverb of time. So, in any sentence, every word has one particular part of speech. So why? The parts of speech plays very important role. So we should know what is that particular underlined word. So identification. Let us see. There are 8 parts of speech in English. This is the basic thing. Everybody knows. Okay. There are 8 parts of speech. It is crystal clear. Every one of you have known this in your lower classes. Certainly, you know very briefly what is a noun, what is a pronoun, what is a verb, all these things. So there are 8 parts of speech in English. Some grammar books say only 7, whatever it may be. But actually there are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb. See, first let us see what is a noun. I have already told you noun is a word. Okay? But what is this? Name of anything is a noun. The simplest definition is name of anything is a noun. Noun is a naming word. Very simple. Noun is a naming word, that's all. Name of anything. So, name of a person, place, or a thing is a noun. For example, boy, a noun. Table, a noun. Child, a noun. Man, a noun. So, these are all nouns. For example, name of the place. Chennai, Amaravati, Guntur, Gyarampalli. These are all the names of the places. So, when coming to thing, for example, balloon, book, pen, pencil, these are the nouns. But other than these, sometimes you are confused. Those are the structural words. When it is a content word means we easily find out name of something, name of a person or a place or a thing. When we come to these structural words, it is somewhat difficult. That we have to listen to very clearly here. You know, a noun can be broadly divided into 2 groups. Concrete nouns, abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are the nouns that we can see, touch, and there will be a fixed physical shape to it. So, concrete nouns have concrete shape that we can touch. For example, table that we can touch, we can see there is a shape to it. So, this is a concrete noun. When coming to the abstract nouns, the nouns, the names, we cannot see, we cannot touch, and there is no physical shape, physical appearance to it. Those are the abstract nouns. For example, depth, beauty, air. Can we see depth? Really we cannot touch. So, a name of MENT, and there are a few more. These are also nouns. So, if we know the names and then the words ending with all these things, pronoun. So, pronoun, it is also a word It stands for a noun. It is a word. It is an objective place or objective case. Me is used. When it is a possessive case, my is used. So, subjective case, objective case, possessive case. అంటే ఇది కర్తగాను, ఇది కర్మగాను, ఇది కలిగి ఉండుట. మై అంటే నా యొక్క, యొక్క అని వచ్చేటువంటి చోట హీ అతడు, హ్యాస్, హ్యాడ్, విల్, వుడ్, షల్, షుడ్, can, could, may, might. So there are about 24 helping verbs in English. There are 24 helping verbs in English. They are also verbs. But what may be the main difference between the main verbs and the helping verbs? That is, in addition to all these main verbs, the helping verbs are also important. So you can easily identify a verb because they denote the action. So there are many other, for example, transitive verb, intransitive verb, regular verb, irregular verb, strong verbs, weak verbs, whatever are main verbs. All these are main verbs. When coming to the finite and the non-finite, we should be careful. So finite verbs have tense. Non-finite verbs do not have tense. That's the main difference. So we cannot go very deep because within the slot, our task is to identify the underlying word. What part of speech is it? So when there is a word underlined and it denotes an action, that is a verb. When there is a helping verb underlined, that is also a verb. You need not write helping verb. Just you can write verb, that's enough. That will do. So let us go to the next. So the next one is an adjective. So adjective is a describing word. It describes a person, an action, anything. When a word describes something means that is an adjective. See, it qualifies a noun. It qualifies a noun. When a noun is qualified, when a noun's quality is talked about, that is an adjective. When a person is described, that is an adjective. So an adjective talks about quality, quantity and number. For example, we can talk about or we can say something about a boy. Good boy, good. Good is an adjective because it is the quality. Next, coming to quantity, many students, many, it tells the quantity. A little sugar, little, that is the quantity. Many boys, many, that is an adjective. Coming to the number, there are 11 players in cricket. Team, 11 is an adjective. So, we can say adjective qualifies a noun. It talks about the noun's quality. It describes a noun. It enlarges its meaning. It says something about the meaning. It rolls, tilts, touches something about the noun. So, an adjective can easily be identified. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Girl is a noun. And here the word beautiful is qualifying the girl, the person, the noun. So, beautiful is the adjective. So, she is a good girl, good. It is a red ribbon, red. He is a tall boy, tall. So, these are the qualities of persons. So, excellent dance show, excellent program, excellent. That says about the dance program, a program. So, why? Excellent is the adjective. So, the word excellent describes the noun. So, why? The adjectives are describing words. The adjectives are describing words. So, long, short, good, bad, small, many, some, 11. So, these are all the adjectives. When we use them, It is a long scale. He is a short boy. She is a foolish girl. Foolish. That talks about the girl's quality. Foolish. A small scale. A small ribbon. Many students. Some boys. So these are the adjectives. We can see adjectives in our textbook. In our intermediate textbook. From page number 127 to 142, you can find the parts of speech, detailed notes and skills. So there will be a very simple exercise at the end of the chapter. Maybe in the page number 141 and 142. If you are able to do them, certainly you are really well versed with the parts of speech. So adjective, once again, it is a qualifying word. It qualifies a noun. It describes a noun. So it says something about the quality of a person, quality of a noun, quantity of a noun, or sometimes number. Next, coming to the adverb. Adverb is a very fast, beautifully, immediately. So these are all the adverbs. So many words ending with ly. 99% of words ending with ly will be adverbs. So this is a simple thing. Immediately, an adverb. So here in this sentence, an adverb is modifying the verb. It is touching the verb. Slowly the word talks about walks. Slowly walks. How does she walk? Slowly. So this is an adverb. When coming to the next, it modifies a verb. Yes, have you understood? Here the word slowly change the meaning of a verb. So the function of adverb is over. Next, coming to this adjective. She is a beautiful girl. She is a pronoun. Is helping verb. I think you can remember. A article. Beautiful. It is qualifying the word girl. So this is an adjective. This is a describing word. Girl is a noun. But here is an extra word, very. How beautiful? Very beautiful. So this very is modifying the word beautiful, an adjective. So adverb modifies an adjective. Adverb modifies an adjective. So very beautiful, quite beautiful, too good, these are all. Very, too, so, sometimes, quite, these are all the adverbs. They modify the adjectives in a sentence. Coming to the last function of the adverb. So what is the wonder? One adverb modifies another adverb. Here, she runs fast. She is the pronoun, runs an action word, verb, fast. How does she run? She runs fast. So fast is an adverb. She runs fast. She runs slowly. She runs quickly. She runs cleverly. She runs easily. So these ending words are adverbs. But when sometimes another adverb in the sentence. So this is something about adverb. And another important thing is the words ending with ly. For example, clearly, cleverly, safely, dangerously. So these are all adverbs. It is the easiest one. We can easily identify the adverb. Simple. Any word ending with ly can be an adverb. This is the thing. Okay, the sixth part of speech is preposition. The preposition is very small words, very simple words, but it is the most difficult one. On shows the relation. What kind of relation? Is the bottle on or table on? it shows clearly whether the bottle is on the table or the table is on the bottle. So this is the link here, this is the simple logic here to know where is the bottle. This preposition is used. For example, if it is on the table, if it is near the table, at the table, if it is below, under the table. So we can use bottle is on the table, under the table, in the table, or at the table, across the table. You see, by the table, with. So why the preposition will say the relation, that's important. For example, on, a preposition. At, mainly it talks about the place, exact time, exact rate. To, the destination. For, some kind of reason. Between, the position. Among, more than two. In, it is also place. From, the starting point. Since, it is also to express the time, the starting time. By, something, agent. With what? So under, it is also place. Across, it is also place. So there are many simple prepositions and prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. The conjunction. Conjunction. So the next one is conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but joining word. The word which joins two words, two phrases. Conjunction is a word, but it is a meaningless word. It is a sound. When we are in sudden or very strong feeling, we make some kind of sound. That sound can be written with some kind of spelling, but there isn't any special meaning to them or any meaning. But we can understand and where to use them in a sentence. For example, hey, ho, wow, hurrah, alas, hi. So these are not fixed. In your strong or sudden feeling, whatever sound you make, that is interjection. There is no meaning. But according to the situation, you make some kind of sound. For example, if it is an amazing situation, you make one kind of sound. For example, if you meet your friend, hi. So there is no meaning for the word hi. But it is an icon of, introducing or greeting. So it is informal way of greeting. So by interjection, it is a word, but not a meaningful word. They are the sounds, generated when we are in strong or sudden feeling. That's all. Hi, how are you? Hey, be careful. Wow, it's fine. Alas, she is dead. So when something very bad situation, we use this kind of sounds. We make this kind of sounds. This is the thing. So let us come to the end of this session with a task. Identify the parts of speech of the underlined words. But let us see each and every word. What part of speech is it? For example, Radha, name of a girl, noun. Is, a helping verb. This is an article. You can write article. Article comes under adjective. Talkative, when there is IVE, that is an adjective. Talkative, selective, corrective, collective. See, this is an adjective. Next, student, it is name, noun. So, in this way, when we see each and every word in this, Sita, noun, walks, it is an action, verb, fast, it modifies the verb, so this is an adverb. In, it shows the position, so this is a preposition. The, an article. Garden, name of the place, a noun. Wow, just now I have told you, this is an interjection. This is a sound, meaningless word. It, a pronoun. Is, a verb. It is a helping verb. An article. Sorry. Very, fabulous, experience. First, experience. This is a noun. Fabulous experience. This is an adjective. Because the word fabulous is talking about or describing the experience. So, fabulous experience. Experience is a noun. Fabulous is an adjective. Again, this word is modifying adjective. So, this is an adverb. This is an adverb. So, it is a very fabulous experience. Very adverb, adjective, experience is a noun. Next, Ramya, name of a girl, and it is connecting or joining the two girls, Ramya and Kavya. So, this is a conjunction or helping verb, going, verb, main verb. Going is a main verb here. Home, name of the place, that is noun. Today, that shows the time. So why it is. There are many differences among them. There are many differences among them. It shows the place. It is a verb, helping verb. This is many differences. Differences, noun. Many differences, adjective. Among, between, among, between, two, among, more than two. So, among is a preposition, them, that refers a pronoun. So, okay.
Properties of addition of matrix. Addition of the matrix. Properties of addition of the matrix. Okay. What is the notation of the matrix? The notation of the matrix: A, capital A is equal to capital A is equal to, on the square brackets, A is A, that is M by N. Here M by N represents the order of the matrix. That means M rows and N columns. Aij represents I running from 1 to M and J running from 1 to N. This represents elements of the matrices. Elements of the matrix. Take A and B. Take A and B, two matrices, A and B, and also C. Here, our topic is properties of the addition of the matrix. The addition of the matrix is possible when the orders of the matrices which are adding are in the same order. I want here find the properties of the matrices. Take three types of matrix, three same order of the matrix. A is equal to Aij M by N, and B is equal to Bij M by N, and C is equal to Cij M by N. These are the three matrices of in the same matrix. First property, commutative property. This is also known as evident property. This is also known as evident property. The commutative property is simply A, B are the two matrices. If A plus B is equal to B plus A, this is commutative property. Now, we discussed about this in detail. So, A plus B is equal to, here what is A? Our hypothesis A is equal to Aij. Okay. Aij. Plus what is B? B is also Bij M by N. This is also M by N. Say this can be written as Aij plus Bij Is it correct? Yes. Next, interchange the two terms Bij plus Aij. Then we will get Bij m by n and plus Aij m by n. Aij m by n. Here, what is Bij m by n? Is nothing but capital B. And what about Aij? This is also capital A. We are starting from A plus B. But our result is B plus A. Therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus B. So, addition of the property. From the beginning, we assume that this is 0. 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to minus 5 plus 5. This is equal to, if A is m by n matrix, if A is m by n matrix, capital A is m by n matrix, and there is a unique m by n matrix B, there is a unique m by n matrix B, such that A plus B is equal to 0 is equal to B plus A, then B is said to be additive inverse of matrix A. Therefore, that is B is equal to minus A of the same class. So, A plus minus A is equal to 0 is equal to minus A plus A. Therefore, 0. Therefore, here the of additive inverse of a matrix A is minus A. So, let A be a matrix and K be a scalar. Scalar means it may be real or natural number, or whatever it be number, real or natural. So Ka is equal to K into Aij upon Mn, about same upon Mn. So let simple example 2, 1, 4, 5, and this is 7, this is 3. Here A is matrix 2, 1, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, and this is 45, this is 63, and this is 27. What is the order of this resulting matrix? 9A. This is 3 by 2. What is the order of the A given matrix here? This is also 3 by 2. So, the order of the resulting matrix is same as the given matrix A. This is the scalar multiplication of the matrices for A. So, by multiplying each of element in A with minus 1, you get with minus 1, you get the minus A. This is the scalar multiple of the multiple of the matrices. So, scalar multiple of the matrix. And next one is properties of the some properties of scalar multiplication of the matrix. Scalar multiplication of the matrices. Let A and be the matrices of the same order. Of the matrices be the matrices of the same order. Say M by N, same order of the same order. M by N, say M by N. Be the matrix say and alpha be the alpha and beta be the two scalars. Say real or complex numbers. Real or complex numbers. Real or say real or complex numbers. First one is alpha into beta into A, beta into alpha A is equal to alpha into beta A. Alpha into beta A. This is true. Example for this. Two into 3A is equal to 3 into 2A is equal to 6 into A. 6A. 2 into 3 to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore 6A. 6A. Take and A is equal to sum 3, 6, 1, 5. Then prove that 2 into 3A is equal to 3 into 2A is equal to 6A. Yes. First of all, you get the 3A. 3A means this is the scalar multiplication. That means scalar A, 3A is equal to 6, 2, 4, 10. Plus, what is here? We assume that alpha is equal to 7. 7 into A plus B is equal to 7 into what is A plus B? 10, 13. That is equal to 70. 97. 91. Sorry. 91. This is RHS. So, this is here LHS. LA. That means LA and 7A. 7A is equal to, you get what is A? 3, 4. 3, 4. 7, 3, 21, 28. And 7B. 7B. We get 7B by multiplying each element of the matrix B with 7. 49, 7, 7, 49, 7, 9, 63. Therefore, you add 7A plus 7B, you get the matrix 21 plus 49, 70, and 28 plus 63, 91. This is same as 7 into A plus B. 7 into A plus B. LH is equal to R. This is also proved. This is also proved. Another, what is 0? 0 may be real number. 0 is also a real number. It is a whole number. 0 is whole number, integer, and real number. Say, take this A, and the fourth one is 0A is equal to simply 0. 0 is equal to simply 0. We have to do that. Now, take this A, you obtain 0A is equal to 0 into A matrix 3, 4, that is equal to multiplying each element of the A with 0, 0 into 3, 0 into 4, we get 0 null matrix of the same one. What is this? This is 2 by 1. This is also 2 by 1. 0, 0, 0 into A is equal to 0. A into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is scalar. Here 0 is scalar. That will be 0 is scalar. And also take 0 matrix. And also 0 matrix in scalar is equal to also 0 matrix. Okay. We go through our exercise, textbook exercise, oblongs. Okay. Write the following as a single matrix. Write the following as a single matrix. Take this program, exercise 3A, exercise 3A. Fourth column in Roman 1. Simple problem. This is a simple problem. Now what is here? What is saying? Plus. That means addition. When it is happens or holds good addition, addition is possible if the matrices are the same order. First of all, we know the order of the matrix given. First one 3 by 2 and the second one 3 by 2. So addition is possible. What is addition? By adding the corresponding elements of the both the given matrices. What is the corresponding element? That means the position. This is 1 1 position. This is 1 1 position. First row and first row and first column element 1 1. Minus 1 plus 0. This is first row 1 2. Here also in second matrix this is 1 2. First row second column, that is 2 plus 1. Here second row first column 2 1, and this in this second row first column, that is 1 plus minus 1. Here 2 2, second row second column, second row second column. Here also second row second column 2 2 position. minus 2 plus 0. Here 3, 1. Third row, first column. 3. Here also plus minus 2. Here also minus 2. Here what is this? 3, 2. Third row, second column. This is 3, 2. Minus 1 plus 1. So, right, this is a minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. This is, what is the art of this resulting matrix? This is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. This is matrix addition problem. Okay, take another problem. You can do it. The fourth problem. Okay. Fourth problem, page number 66. If A is equal to 3, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 1, and B is equal to, and this is 1, and B is equal to minus 3, 1, 0, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, and x is equal to a plus b. Then find x. Okay, this is very simple. Then find x. What is given statement? X a plus b. X is equal to a plus b. First of all, we find the a plus b. A plus b is nothing but the addition of the two matrices A and B. First, check or verify, are they in the same order or not? What is matrix order of the matrix A? This is 3 by 3. Okay, that's 3. Matrix A, order of the matrix A is equal to 3 by 3. And what about this B matrix order? Matrix order of the matrix B 3 by 3. So addition is possible. Addition is possible. First of all, find a plus b. 3, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 1, plus minus 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 2. So this is addition is nothing but by adding the corresponding elements of the both matrices. So 3 plus minus 3 corresponding elements plus position of vectors 1 1 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 0. Here 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 and 1 plus 4 3 plus minus 1 1 plus 2. You get 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. And 2 plus 2 4. Here minus 1. This is 0. This is 3. This is 5. This is 2. This is 3. This is equal to x. This is equal to x. What is here? What is x? X is a matrix. Design. Right take. X is equal to, let x is equal to. So x is nothing but the resulting matrix of the A plus B. After getting the addition of the a plus b x. Say that means the order is the same as a and b. What is order of the a and b? 2 by 2. So we have to take same order matrices. That is x is equal to a, B, C, 3 by 2, A, B, C, D, or take this type. X is equal to A11, A12, A13, A2221, A22, A23, A31, A32, A23. This is X. So x is equal to a plus b. It applies. Therefore, x is equal to r. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. So 4. By these 4 equations, by solving these 4 equations, you get the values of the